This is my weekly grocery routine and meal plan. Hello. Well, grocery shopping is a process. It takes me a few days, 2, 3, to do all the things to get my home ready for groceries to come in and I can restock my fridge and my pantry. I always start out with Sam's Club first, so that's where I'm starting today is Sam's Club. I am in the garage freezer and I have my little list with me, so I'm looking to see what all I need. I have like 3 packs of burger left, so I'm gonna go ahead and get some lean ground beef, and then I definitely need chicken. I'm gonna add that to my list, and then down here I have like brats and stuff, so I don't need anything like that. Okay, now we're in the garage refrigerator. And we have some water bottles here, but we're getting low. I'm gonna check the pantry and see if we have any more in the pantry. And Jason only has 1 bottle of his iced tea, so I'm gonna add that to my list. We are in the laundry room, and it looks like I'm good on paper towels. I have 5 boxes of Kleenex. I'm not sure if I'll get more or not. I'm gonna put them on my list just in case. But I do need some more colored bleach, so I'm gonna get that there. I like to get mine at Sam's. This is the floor of the pantry, and there is no bottled water anywhere, so I put that on my list. I'm gonna go ahead and get some more paper plates because this shopping trip is gonna be good for about 3 weeks, and I don't think those plates will last us that long. These are our napkins, and I might get another bundle of those too. We're in my bathroom, and we are low on toilet paper, and the boys said they are too, so I'm gonna go ahead and add that to my list as well. Okay, so I need to add toilet paper. Other than that, I have my list ready to go unless I can think of something else that we need from Sam's Club. Oh, and I have added Skinny Pop to my list as well. I love to get the big bags of Skinny Pop at Sam's Club. It was very, very busy on this day, but we did find everything and then some on our list. I completely forgot to film the haul. I brought everything in, me and my guys, we took care of it all, and I forgot to show you the things that we got. So you're gonna go around my house with me and I'm gonna show you everything that I got at Sam's Club. We did find the Skinny Pop popcorn, and then Timothy loved the Buffalo Wild Wing Parmesan Garlic popcorn. He loved this, so we found another bag. They said it's limited edition, so we're grabbing it while we can. Jason's iced tea some of it is in the refrigerator, so we got that. Paper plates. Don't mind the towels sitting here waiting to be taken care of because yes, it is laundry day, although I'm doing grocery shopping too. You know how it is. So we found the Kleenex, which I like the little single boxes, squares. These ones are actually, they're different. These ones have like baseballs and footballs and things on it. It's that season. And then we got the bleach for colored clothes. Toilet paper is put away. We keep a couple in our room, and then the boys have some in theirs. We got a big tube of burger that is 90/10. I got 3 packs of chicken breast, boneless, skinless chicken breast. And then this pack, this is beef stew meat, and it was $4.98 a pound. Here is the bottled water, is all filled up in this drawer and also in this drawer as well. Jason's teas are in the door of this refrigerator. Did I say napkins? Those are way back here behind the paper plates. We got napkins too. This needs straightened up, which I'm gonna have my guys help me do. I cannot stand it looking like this, drives me crazy. So we will be straightening this floor of the pantry up. All right, we are at the side of the refrigerator where I keep my meal plan. My little Charlie Brown has a magnet on the back, and I believe I found one on Amazon, so I'll have it linked below. I love this thing. I just keep it on the side of my refrigerator and it works perfectly for a meal planner. But this week's meals, it is Monster Clubs. I have made those in the past here on my channel. I'll have that linked below. Jason requested that. It's actually Monster because it's Monster cheese, but we call them Monster Clubs. just stuck that way. Jason bought a box of beer battered fish by Gordon's, so I'm gonna make a meal of those. Justin requested pepper steak, and that's what I'm gonna do with that stew meat. That is gonna be for pepper steak. I'm also going to make up a marinated chicken. We call it Asian marinade. I've made it here on my channel before. If I can find it, I'll have it linked below. It's got a lot of flavor going into it, a lot of seasonings. We thoroughly enjoy it, and most times I just put the chicken on the grill and cook it that way. And then we're gonna keep it simple by just doing a taco night. We haven't had just a plain taco night in a few weeks now. And I love having taco night because you can have Spanish rice, refried beans, we can turn it into nachos, soft shell tacos, hard shell tacos. It's just so much fun, and then everybody can just make it however they're wanting it that day, and it's always a big hit here. It has been a couple of days later. Yesterday, I figured out all the items that I needed for my meal plan and things that we're running out of in our home, and I jumped onto walmart.com and I put in my grocery order. Those will be delivered tonight, about 6 to 7 o'clock tonight. Almost every week there is a few items that Walmart does not have in stock. So I go online and I go to H-E-B, which is another grocery store. If you're not familiar with it, I jump between H-E-B, Walmart, and Sam's Club. H-E-B has some unique items that I can't find in other stores. I actually haven't been able to find most of the stuff since I lived in Michigan. So I'm very grateful for H-E-B, and I love their name brand stuff. They actually have an H-E-B brand, and we've been trying their stuff. Even their chicken egg rolls are really good. I like to schedule my pickup for the morning and try to beat the crowd. Doesn't always work, but I try. Okay, we are off to H-E-B, but first I want to get my car washed. And my car is reading 96 degrees. It is only 10:30 in the morning and it's already 96. I know it's supposed to be like 105 or something like that today, I believe. But anyway, got my air conditioning on a full blast. All right, let's go get the groceries. Okay, it's slow going. There is construction going on. So this is actually taking a lot longer to go to the grocery store and the car wash, but we're getting there. We're getting closer. Once this road is done, it'll be really nice. This is the only way out of our neighborhood. We made it! Yes! All right, now we're getting a nice, clean, sparkly car. I just texted and now I'm waiting for them to bring my groceries out to me. I was pulling in, it goes one way all the way through this parking lot for the pickup, and I was pulling in and the car started backing out. Oh my goodness, I thought they were gonna hit me. It was so close. I'm so glad they didn't hit me. Oh, they must not have been watching. They must have just been pulling out instead of just being aware that there's, I don't know. Wow, that was close. But anyway, I'm trying to get my heart started again. So now I'm just waiting for the groceries and then we'll be heading home. Justin found this old like country road on our way home, on his way home the other day, and shared it with me. And this is just, I love this area right here. And it's our way that we take it home after we leave H-E-B. It's a little bumpy, but look at this. I mean, seriously, it's so nice. And I don't have to worry about taking the highway. Well, coming home through all of that construction wasn't nowhere near as bad as leaving. I got my H-E-B order right here, so let me show you what I got. Toaster strudels have been a huge hit in our home lately, and I got the cream cheese and strawberry. Jason likes these the best, he said. And then these are the cinnamon roll. Jason and Timothy are absolutely loving these. These are the H-E-B brand smoked brisket mac and cheese. They said it's fantastic. They said it's a little spicy, but it's really good. I got some chicken nuggets. I got the dino. I don't know, I think it's they're just cute, you know? They don't have eyes on them in real life or teeth, but they're just cute. And then corn dogs. Those are always a nice, easy lunch to grab for everybody. Some M&Ms just to have in the pantry because, you know, if you get a chocolate craving, you can grab a little bit of M&Ms and, you know, it's good. Also, Timothy is very hungry for some blue cheese dressing. This is our favorite, and H-E-B always has this. Walmart did it. Also, these are newer to me. I had one bag and used it, and we love them, so I got 2 more bags to have in the pantry for future meals. It's a marinade in a bag, and this one is the original. This one is smoky mesquite. We had this one, fantastic. Oh my goodness. It's saying for steak, but I'm seriously tempted to try it with chicken. But I really like having marinades and, you know, sides and different things in the pantry. I like to keep those on hand. And then if I am just like, I don't know what to make, I don't know what kind of meals, and just kind of running out of ideas, these will be in there for the future. Some more things that I keep in my pantry are like meatloaf seasoning. That is always something that I'm like, oh yeah, meatloaf, I can make meatloaf. That's a nice, you know, quick put together kind of meal. I'm gonna quick get this stuff put away. Our groceries have arrived. Okay, we have everything out on the table. There is just a lot of stuff. All right, we're gonna start at this end. So I have 2 Greek yogurts, non-fat, plain. I have recipes coming out. If I already have the video out, I'll have it linked below. But if I don't, be watching for it because they're gonna be so good. Just saying. Ciabatta rolls, hamburger buns, head of lettuce, gallon of milk. We like the 2%. 2 Stoke coffees. We've really been enjoying our iced coffee lately. Half and half to go with the Stoke coffee. A small bag of salad. Fully cooked, thick cut bacon. Couple of tomatoes. I needed 1 apple for a recipe and a green pepper. This isn't a very big green pepper, but it'll be okay. Black Forest ham, shredded cheese, cheesy nacho shells for our taco night, black olives, and a can of mushrooms, self-rising flour, some Hershey's chocolate syrup. Justin's been really enjoying Pop-Tarts lately for breakfast. He can just grab and go. So I got 2 boxes of those and a bag of peanuts. All my guys absolutely love peanuts in the shells, and these ones are really good. I needed some brown gravy. Timothy, I've talked about this in the past, he loves these for his lunches, so I got 2 of these. Pizza rolls, cheesy Mexican rice. Okay, the Cholula. I ordered a 1 bigger bottle of it and they didn't have it, so they substituted 3 instead of 1. It'll get used. This is something new. It's a Olive Garden Parmesan Ranch dressing. If you tried this, let me know in the comments what you think, but this sounded really super good. Jason's been into ranch dipping like breadsticks and things in ranch dressing, and I figured he might like that one. We were out of Olive Garden Italian, and then I also needed regular Italian for the Monster Clubs. Country Time lemonade, cannot go wrong with that in the summer. Okay, here's another substitution. This Nutella is huge, but I ordered the smaller one and they didn't have it, so I was like, sure, why not? It'll get used. Cooper needed his little Frosty Paws ice cream cups. He enjoys these. We only do like 1/4 of the cup at a time, so they last for a while. And he also loves these. They're by the Blue Buffalo, and they are sizzlers. He loves them, so I got a big old bag of those. We needed some garbage bags for our kitchen. Mr. Clean Magic erasers, I know I have a bunch of these somewhere and I have yet to come across them. So I don't know what happened to them, but I need these. So got a little box of these. I only got like, what, 4 in here? Yep. Couple things of gallon storage bags. And then, oh man, have I been having allergy eyes so bad lately. So I got some aloe for that. And this is my hairspray. I like the Tresemme, and it is the number 3. And look how pretty. They changed up the can. Oh, that's so pretty. 2 containers of red plastic bowls. We use them for many, many, many things. My guys love pop. So we have Pepsi, which was on sale, Dr. Pepper, and Coca-Cola. And then Justin thoroughly enjoys this cherry limeade. It has 0 sugar, 0 calories, 0 caffeine, and 0 sodium. And I'll tell you, I tried it and it is very tasty. Now we're gonna put everything away. but it feels so good to have this house stocked for the next week and then some. Don't stop watching now. Here are 2 more videos for you to enjoy. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you soon.